Understanding the phrase, back off, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, back off. This phrase is common in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to make it crystal clear. Back off is an idiomatic expression that essentially means to retreat or withdraw from a situation. It's often used in situations where one person wants another to stop what they are doing or to give them more space. This phrase can be both literal, like stepping away physically, or figurative, like stopping a particular behavior. Physical context. In a physical context, back off is used to tell someone to physically move away. For example, if someone is standing too close and you feel uncomfortable, you might say, back off, to ask them to step away. Emotional or personal context. In an emotional or personal context, back off can be used to tell someone to stop interfering in your personal matters or to stop pressuring you. For instance, if someone is asking too many personal questions, saying, back off, is a way to ask them to stop. The phrase, back off, usually carries a strong, assertive, or aggressive tone. It's important to be aware that using this phrase can sometimes escalate a situation or offend someone. However, in some cases, it's necessary to be firm, especially when setting personal boundaries. There are less aggressive ways to convey the same message. For example, please give me some space. I'd appreciate it if you could step back. Could you stop doing that, please? Using these alternatives can be more polite and less confrontational. Let's see some examples of how back off is used in everyday conversations. 1. In a disagreement. 2. Person A, you need to do it my way. 3. Person B, back off, I can handle it. 4. In a personal space issue. 5. Person A stands too close. 6. Person B, could you back off a bit? You're in my space. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, back off, and how it can be used in various contexts. Remember, while it's a common phrase, it's important to use it carefully due to its strong tone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these phrases in your daily conversations for better mastery. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.